The proven way to become fluent in English. If you've been watching my videos, you'll know that I like to rely on science and studies and experience for how to become fluent in any language, and in this case, in English. Science and experience tell us that you're not going to get fluent by just listening, just like you're not going to be able to play the piano or the guitar by just listening to piano or guitar music. You actually have to play the instrument. So for English, you actually have to speak. You actually have to do something. And I'm here to help you do that. Today, we're going to practice some real questions that people ask every day in real life. But first of all, as I always like to do, we're going to start with a little exercise where we speak out loud together. We're going to say one phrase, and today's phrase is, I wish for you a future full of friendly new faces. So I'll put that up here, and let's say it together. I wish for you a future full of friendly new faces. One more time, say it out loud. I wish for you a future full of friendly new faces. Okay, good job. You should be ready now. So I want you to imagine that we're meeting one another for the first time and you're with a friend. So think of a friend that you know and you're with them, and somehow I know this person as well. So we're going to start out and I'm going to ask questions and you please answer them out loud. If you need to pause the video to answer them, pause the video. And I'm not going to write the answers up here for you. That's not the answers. I'm not going to put the questions up here for you to see, because in real life, there are no questions over someone's shoulder. They just say the words out of their mouth and you have to answer them. So practice, and if you're not comfortable, that's okay. Pause the video, take your time and practice. And then if you go through the video several more times, eventually you'll become comfortable with answering these questions. And so when you meet someone, it will be more comfortable for you. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Leanne. I don't think we've met before. What's your name? Oh, nice to meet you. And how do you know my friend here? Oh, that's interesting. And where are you from? Where are you from originally? And do you still live there? Or are you living somewhere else now? Make sure you're answering these questions out loud. And like I said, pause the video if you need more time. Oh, that's somewhere I've never been. Tell me about it. What's it like there? Oh, wow. That sounds interesting. Now, tell me a little bit about yourself. Do you have any siblings? Any brothers or sisters? Hmm. I just have one sister and I don't have any brothers. Are you married or do you still live at home? What's your situation? And is your family here with you? Okay. What do you do? Do you work or do you study? You see, these aren't just simple yes and no questions. You actually have to think a little bit and plan your answer and say more than yes or no, or yes I am, or no I'm not. So it's good practice for you. What do you like to do when you have some free time? Okay, that's great. You've been doing a great job. Now, it would be a little more interesting if I could hear your answers and then I could ask you questions based on your answers. And that's what might happen if you're really meeting someone in person. You say you like doing something, and they might say, "Oh, yeah, I like doing that too," or "I've never tried that," or "I'd like to try that," or "My sister's really good at that," or something like that. So let's start at the beginning, and I'll run through these questions again and try to leave enough time for you to answer them. We'll see how we do. And remember, you're with a friend, and it's a person that I know. So let's try it again. Hi, I'm Leanne. I don't think we've met before. What's your name? And how do you know my friend here? And that's interesting. Where are you from? Do you still live there, or are you living somewhere else now? Oh, that's somewhere I've never been. What's it like? Tell me about it. That sounds interesting. Now tell me a little bit about yourself. What do you like to do? Oh, that's nice. Are you married, or do you have any children? Hmm. I'm married. I have my husband Peter, and we have two boys, two grown boys. And one of our boys, our older one, is married, and he has a child, so I'm a grandmother. What about brothers and sisters? Do you have any siblings? And where are they? Do they live near you, or do they live in other places? Well, I have to get going, but it's been really nice meeting you. And now that we have a mutual friend, maybe we'll see each other again sometime. All right, take care. So, how did that conversation go for you? I changed it up a little bit because you're never going to get exactly the same questions. Be good practice for you to review this video several times and practice answering the questions. It doesn't have to be the same every time. You could answer them a little bit differently, or you could make believe and pretend you're someone else and answer them differently each time, just to get practice. Okay, I really am going to go this time, but if you're enjoying these videos and you want to get more practice, stay till the end and click on my Speak English Out Loud playlist and get yourself some more practice, and we'll see you in the next one.